Have you ever wondered what the core teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, truly are? One of the most authentic sources we have is Ṣaḥīḥ al-Bukhārī, a collection of his sayings and actions, known as hadith. Today, we're diving into 10 foundational hadith from this incredible book that can shape our entire lives. Let's start with number 1, perhaps the most famous hadith of all. Actions are only judged by intentions. This is the bedrock of Islamic ethics. It means that the value of everything you do, from your prayers to your daily work, depends entirely on why you are doing it. It's a powerful reminder to always check our sincerity. Second, the very structure of our faith. Islam is built upon 5 pillars. These are the testimony of faith, prayer, charity or zakāh, fasting Ramaḍān, and making the pilgrimage or ḥajj. These 5 acts are the essential framework that supports a Muslim's life. Third, a simple yet profound statement. Religion is sincerity. This highlights the importance of goodwill and honesty in our relationship with Allah, His Messenger, our leaders, and all people. It's about having a pure heart in all our dealings. Fourth, what truly makes a person great? The Prophet said, "The best of you are those with the best character." This shows that moral excellence and good manners are more important than just performing rituals. True faith shines through our akhlaq, our character. Number 5 is a practical definition of a Muslim. A Muslim is one from whose tongue and hand other Muslims are safe. This is a direct command to avoid causing harm, whether through our words or our actions. It's about creating a community of peace and safety. At number 6, we find the golden rule of Islamic brotherhood. None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. This beautiful principle calls for empathy, justice, and genuine unity among people. 7th, a guide for making decisions. The lawful is clear and the unlawful is clear, and between them are doubtful matters. This teaches us to stick to what is clearly permissible and to avoid gray areas in order to protect our faith and integrity. Number 8 is about the power of our words. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day should speak good or remain silent. This simple rule can prevent so much negativity, from gossip and slander to meaningless chatter. It's a call to mindful and beneficial speech. 9th, a principle of balance. Indeed, this religion is easy. The Prophet warned against overburdening ourselves in religious practice, encouraging moderation and rejecting extremism. Islam is meant to be a path of ease, not unnecessary hardship. Finally, at number 10, a beautiful perspective on life. The world is a provision, and the best provision of it is a righteous wife. This hadith highlights the immense value of a righteous spouse and a strong family, placing it above all other worldly possessions. These 10 sayings offer a roadmap to a more meaningful and righteous life. Which one resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.